Another severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Madison County, northeastern Hamilton County, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Noblesville, or 14 miles west of Anderson, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anderson, Noblesville, Cicero, Pendleton, Chesterfield, Lapel, Edgewood, Country Club Heights, Woodlawn Heights, and River Forest. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 220 and 230. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hamilton and Madison. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until